Welcome to our channel, where we show you how to detail a car that's full of dog hairs. If you're a pet owner, you know how challenging it can be to keep your car clean and fresh, especially if you use it to transport your furry friends. To ensure a deep clean, we'll now remove all of the car's interior components and give them a meticulous cleaning. Now, let's talk about removing those pesky dog hairs that seem to stick to everything. For this, we recommend using a pet hair remover tool that's specifically designed to lift and collect pet hairs from surfaces like fabric and carpets. Simply glide the tool over the surfaces in a back and forth motion to pick up the dog hairs.
Yan yung first stage natin ng interior detailing. Natanggal na natin yung mga dumi. First vacuum pa lang yan. Tanggal natin yung carpet. Hindi yung mga kinalos natin. para matanggal yung dent.
We're now on the final stages of detailing this car. As you can see, the interior detailing is already done, and it's looking fresh and clean. Now, we're moving on to the exterior. In this video, I'm working on the clay bar process. This is where we remove any dirt and debris that's still clinging to the car's surface. We need to do this step to make sure that the paint will be as smooth and clean as possible before we move on to the next stage. Unfortunately, we didn't capture the buffing process on video, but don't worry, we'll make sure to include it in our future videos.